powers. I am the
Daniel, what
master.
are you
Yeah, Ter, you're gonna be Ter. You can talk in chat. You're gonna be setting, all right?
What's lineup?
Am I in lineup or
What's
not?
your opinion on that, bro? Huh? No, we're trying to see if Ter's a good setter. We're gonna try him out.
Yeah.
Try him out. Whoa.
Yeah,
It's a
bro.
try
This
him
guy
out.
needs to, because he needs to try out, bro. He's not like I don't know, bro.
Alright.
Why is Joseph here? Why is Joseph here?
Because I asked him to be here. He's my buddy.
Oh, I.
He's my
I'm
special
attacking you,
friend.
Oh, bro.
I
Ter, are
low-key
you okay with being
think
setter,
I'm
bro?
fast.
Ter, are you okay with being setter? Because he's gonna be setter anyways.
Bro, they're always you first, bro.
Fan.
Okay. You're good then. All right.
I know anti-quicks hella.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna block
Okay.
quicks.
Yeah, Pandy, you're gonna be subbed on for Ter if he sells a lot as a setter.
Then
Yashin.
who's gonna sub off
Wait,
for Turd?
I only talked with him once. He's pretty chill.
Who's gonna spike instead of Turd?
Noah spiking.
Oh,
Yeah, we got Brandino too, you know.
Oh
Aquatic
shit, yo, fuck
Evan.
Brandino. No PT
I
for
was-
Brandino. Haha.
Oh my god, bro.
Brandino.
Bro, okay,
Alright.
bro. You wanna?
4 settings.
Yeah, we look got 4 setters right now, bro. We got Pandy, we got Danu, we got
Or two of setters.
we got Ter, and we got Brandino, bro.
6-0 is all setters.
Oh, you're lagging. Do you want to play or not?
Oh,
Do you want to play or not?
I'll play a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, they're spamming quick hooks for sure.
they probably
You
just
start
asked
left
like,
back. Start
no,
left
they
back.
probably asked Zyra like, how what do you do to Invictus?
They're gonna cut for sure.
Yep.
Yo, fuck
I'm
cuts, bro.
dabbing.
I'm actually so good at receiving cuts now, bro. Like,
This guy had
Oh
a
my
full-on
God.
training arc.
I actually did, bro. You don't look. Ask Ter how much better I got. Like, I took it seriously that we.
Terra
lost to Ter.
rejoin. Terra rejoin. Try one
You know
more time.
that? You know that one receive I sold? I took it seriously, bro. Ask Ter, bro. I went full depressed, bro. And it wasn't even that serious. I don't know why I got so mad.
If y'all don't do okay, do their lineups right now.
I saw you say the lineups.
Alright,
Well,
left
two of
wing
our
Sharpie,
players aren't it?
first setter Ter, start left back Danu, and then Lib Wagers right back. No, yeah, that's good.
Alright, gotcha.
There's no other setter.
Huh?
What's
No,
that?
No.
no.
Daniel
It's
said
Danu and Ter. It's Danu and
Daniel's-
Ter.
Okay.
Cause bro,
Brandino, go
like,
to the other side.
I'm at lip something.
Brandino.
yeah, those. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna lip.
If someone does bad at wrecking nitro lib subs, right?
I thought I'm lip subbing Brandino now.
No, a lip sub is where you sub out one player. when
Yeah.
Bro, are
you
you
back
good?
row.
Are you good, bro? Okay,
It's
if
either
Ter
a
lags too much,
setter or a wing spiker. So
if Ter lags too much, we're gonna have to call a TO and put
Yeah.
Brandino or Pandy on.
just put Brandino or Pena. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
This is just
Low key, don't even stress, cause I'm low key taking a shit and playing right now, like I always do.
Am I
oh, no.
No, literally, like against Juventus, I was
No,
in the
for
bathroom for
Noah.
half of it.
Yo, I'm not recording or what? For Noah!
That's the funniest thing. Bro, I'm talking in third person.
I got show fast. I think he also quicks. Yashin.
Yashin is like,
He's been selling
bro,
it.
don't even stress, bro. Don't even stress, bro. Chill. Don't overthink it.
Lip Aqua as well. He's trash.
I'll just like, I'm telling you, if you think too much about it, you're just gonna do bad. Like, you're gonna.
I gotcha.
But like, you know me, I'm the GOAT, so.
What was
Oh my, we.
Wait.
Do they block? I'm gonna see if they block apes, and if they don't, like, I might have to ape chat.
My dog is attacking my chair. The fuck, bro?
My mama calling me. Hold up.
Oh, what are you doing? Stop grabbing my shoe, gang.
Gang.
Oh.
Bro called his dog a gang.
Yep, that's my gang, bro.
Alright, yeah, we gotta use our TO efficiently.
Who is this one? Who's
Oh, let's go. Okay.
and where's
Yo,
second CD?
Second
Oh,
CD 's-
Shadow.
What the fuck is Shadow?
What the heck is a shadow, anyways, bro?
Bro said, "What's a shadow?" Yeah.
Oh, they don't block apes.
Anyway.
Good point.
Yo, Pandora just is so hard. This guy's yeah, okay.
Nice.
Watch over. Nice.
Manu.
Sal, rebound. I got it. Oh, it's over.
Over. Good spike, Sal.
Nice shot.
No mind.
Yes, sir. I got it, Rick.
For
I got it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh fuck.
Oh, you want me to
Don't
live?
mind. Don't mind.
You got it.
Yeah, let's get the 10 bump net in right now.
Yeah, 10 bump net. Do 10 bump net.
I got it.
Yeah, Sal, cover the cut.
Nice receive.
Ah, okay.
Steve.
Did you do 5?
I did 6.
That's right.
Nice. Alright.
Should have done 5.
Nice.
Ooh.
Oh, good job.
Shit.
Nice hit.
Alright, set it right.
Sure. Go back. Oh, he's lagging.
7.
Oh, he
Oh,
lagging.
he's
He
lagging.
lagging. Okay, Tara, I got you.
Oh, I switched. Oh.
Yo, after this.
Rebound. No.
Damn.
Okay, Tara. I got you here. You need
Was
me?
that 7?
Yeah, I'm gonna do 5 Sharpie.
One more?
Just leave the play or stay the play.
Or actually, wait. I'm gonna do
Let me get
one more.
if he's lagging. Because we can't lib sub right now. Because we don't have desired lib.
You can right now.
Not right now.
He already served already.
Not named lib.
Alright.
Wait.
Ref didn't name you as
Oh,
lib.
fuck. Tell-
Oh.
If you get
Yeah, let
angry,
me get
just
long.
say-
Give me live.
Set Sharpie.
Alright, now I'm gonna
you
set
get
Sharpie.
out.
Alright.
Sharpie one more time.
Bro. Dude, there's 3 people in the air. Okay, my bad.
It's okay.
I got it.
Alright,
Nice.
Sharpie.
Got no stamp.
Oh my
Bro.
god.
Alright.
You wanna call TO?
Yeah, probably.
Okay,
Where
one
we
more.
go?
Next
We gotta
One
call
more.
TO. That's why.
Wait, I got virus.
Bro,
Oh,
you're
why are you
covering.
virus? This
Just rebound.
motherfucker.
Just rebound. I got
Alright.
it. It's fine.
Got it.
Sal?
Oh
Okay.
shit, bro.
It's
I
over.
thought
It's
you-
over.
I
You're good.
asked
It's good. Ain't
Let me
no way.
stop, Sharpie.
I'm actually getting trolled, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god, call TO, bro. For real.
TO.
They are actually trolling.
Yo, do we need subs?
This is why I wanted to lib. I only messed up one lib.
You can't service up right now. I can do it after the set.
Yeah.
We need make
Tara, do you still want to set or do you want me to set now? Because you're lagging.
We got Brandino setting as well.
Yeah.
I'll set.
Alright, I'm already name lived.
I'll set. Or replace.
Let me warm up real quick.
And yeah, stop overing.
Alright.
Thanks.
Alright.
Yo, no, get those apes.
Yeah.
Set Sharpie, okay. Sharpie what power? 7 stop, okay. I'm gonna set Sharpie first and then
Gotcha. Alright.
yeah, we could have
Spend more mids, I
Yeah,
guess.
the mids are okay. Hold up, bro.
The mids are free though, I can't lie.
Yeah.
And they're mid longs.
I agree. Ready.
Okay, we
Alright,
good.
7 stop Sharpie. And then what power cell? Nice.
Oh my god, bro.
Over.
It's
It
over.
was-
It's
And
over.
again.
That's just yeah. Hit it. This.
Alright, don't worry. Hey, just what's it called? Let Sal get a hit real quick. Or not Sal, let Sharpie get a hit.
Sharpie
Got
hit this.
stolen.
7 stop Sharpie.
Try not to full delay. Okay. They're really good
Yeah.
at it.
Stop
They're
again,
really
7
good
stop
at
again. Okay, never mind.
heading on.
Nice.
Alright.
He was about to
We are getting
wipe
trolled.
you or like
Um.
Ooh,
Oh,
Nice, nice,
shit, that
nice.
was crazy.
You got that?
Okay.
Huh? Booze. Yeah, booze.
All right. 5 stop loggers right now.
It's okay.
I'm a
Stop
fake
talking
ape. I'm
now.
a fake ape, and then set loggers. Oh,
Yo,
Nice.
can they say that?
Block
You
it.
have it. Nice.
Over.
Watch it.
Watch.
Over.
Watch it again.
Watch it.
Yashin is trolling that hard. 5.
Nice. Dude, oh my
No,
god!
you gotta get those.
No.
No.
No, you.
Dude, I just wrecked 3 times in a bro, they've aimed at me 3 times in a row.
Yo, they're farming you. They're farming you, please. Oh, they're farming me. They're farming me.
I legit got the last 2 and then of course they get me on the 3rd one.
Dang.
Alright.
Okay, chill. Loggers 5 stop.
Let me get front row, I beg. Thank you.
Nice.
We're spamming that.
Okay, give me 11 stall.
All right, I'm gonna do loggers one more time.
And next is Cetterot, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is Cetterot.
Then you have to cut out.
my
No, I read that. What the heck?
I'm setting.
Okay, I'm gonna keep blocking
Aim.
apes. All right, loggers.
Nice.
Nice.
Let's set her
All
up.
right.
Lips up.
Set Noah. Set Noah.
Give me 11 stall.
Lip cover quicks. Alright. If y'all want me to play lib, then yeah. Like, just stay lib. Like, sure.
Nice.
Actually.
Yeah.
Oh, it touch block.
Is there?
Oh, it's Anna, it's Anna.
It's there. It's there. Hey, come back real quick.
I'm setting Noah.
It's over.
All right, cool.
Over.
Nice,
Nice.
Noah. Nice, Al.
Nice.
Watch it.
Ooh, nice.
Okay, 5 stall.
Guys, you know Ags is here, so let's go.
Alright, don't worry.
Oh my god. They're farming us on that. Okay, it's fine. Hey, we're not down by that much. We don't gotta worry.
Got like,
We've caught up so many times doing this.
I'm setting walkers.
Wait. I got it.
Or
Good try.
Alright.
I was low-key a bad set. I mean, receive my fault.
rebound.
Nice.
For sure.
Is that
nice
right?
Bendy.
Is that right?
Nice
Yeah.
Bendy.
Still 5 stall. Is that Yashin, the one who's setting right now?
Yeah.
I stop. I
No,
stop.
that's not Yashin. That's the other one.
Over.
Nice.
Damn, they got Pandora on logs.
That was over.
I
Alright, one
stop.
more time. Oh, okay.
Sorry,
Alright.
Oh, my block.
Alright, nice.
Oh, no, they know the deep
Oh.
cuts. They know the deep cuts.
The deep
They know
cuts.
the deep
The deep cuts. Oh, that's scary.
Oh,
Yeah,
my
it's
God.
cool.
Oh, fuck.
Where are you setting, Bendy?
What's Danny's pet? Wait. What's
Sounds
sound?
funny.
Cover me.
Oh,
Let's try.
shit.
Nice.
Nice try.
They're good blocks. They're good at blocks.
Yep.
Delay? I don't know.
Give me 5 stall.
Delay and
It's just if he jumps early, then quick. Yeah, see, look, okay. Let me get it over. Rebound,
Nice.
rebound. One more time.
I received it.
Oh.
Okay, I'm rebounding.
Rebound. Oh, nice try.
Oh, sorry.
I'll get to block those.
Nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Oh, oh my god! That's not DT. It's how?
It's not DT. That's a conjoin, bro.
Conjoin.
It's conjoin.
It was black twice. Oh, powers real quick.
You racist?
I'll set Sharpie.
Oh, watch out.
Nice.
Nice. Dude,
Nice. Yo,
Pandy's going
Pandy.
so good.
Pandy, you're my idol.
Well, kill that ball,
Alright,
Sharpie.
not go crazy.
Nice.
Nice. Right.
Got you.
Nice.
Pandora.
Oh, he coming back.
Alright, we're locking in, team. Just keep it up.
Alright.
I'm a
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yeah, set him again. I might.
Oh, nice.
Block.
Watch for quick.
Alright, nice. Nice.
Oh
Good
my
job.
God.
That's good.
Oh
That's a
my
goal.
god.
I'm gonna keep serving them short, so watch for Pandy, watch for apes, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna keep serving short.
Cover middle long apes, because I'm cutting short cuts.
Nice.
Sharpie.
Decoy.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh.
Wait,
It's
don't hit
over.
that.
It's
Don't
over.
hit that. Don't hit that.
What
That's
the-
just slide.
Oh.
You did?
Yeah.
My bad.
Watch you.
I'll set a slide.
Watch for cut.
Yeah,
Okay.
don't mind.
Watch
Oh, my fault.
Good call, man. No, that was a good call, Mesha. That was a good call.
Juventus.
I'm gonna set the slide.
Oh
Oh
yeah.
shit, bad right. My bad.
Just rebound it. Alright, nice.
Oh, I'm gonna jump.
Oh nice.
Sharpie, 15.
Decoy.
Oh.
Nice try.
Watch you. Yeah, I knew it.
Why did you do that?
These guys are really like. These
Oh,
guys aim at like the perfect time.
it's there. Go. It's south.
Pandy, Pandy,
Sal,
go.
Sal,
Pa-
go.
Oh wait, Sal.
It's Sal.
Oh.
It's Sal.
Wait, it's not even.
Because Dan is
Oh.
there. Dan is there.
Oh, he shuffled. That's why.
I got it.
Over. He shuffled. My fault.
Nice!
Damn.
Oh, yo, tell me when to lip sub, Pandy.
Good shit.
Tell me
Do
to
we
lip sub.
I don't know if we do. Do we have to lip sub though?
No, you don't need to, but. And
Oh my god.
Okay. Cool.
Bro, give me my stats, bro. What's the game?
I'm setting walkers.
Pandy, do you really need lip sub? I don't know.
I don't think so.
Let's just try.
Look.
Oh shit.
Oh
Oh.
my god. That was good. That was good.
I left.
Lean.
That's never.
Juventus.
Bro,
Like the
Walker's about to
player.
get receiver of the week. Bro's gonna steal it from Terry. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Alright.
Nice.
Let's set her up.
So let me look.
Not yet. Not yet, Pandy.
Let me look.
Oh, no.
I'll look.
Sharpie first, then Walkers. Walkers 2 times.
Alright,
Alright.
don't worry.
So Sharpie first, then
Lips up.
Walkers.
Alright.
No, Pandy? Oh, alright.
No.
Sharpie, where are you gonna hit? I'll
Alright.
cover you.
If I do,
You don't know?
bad.
Yeah, I'll just cover you.
Yeah. Alright.
I mean,
Oh, you're free.
nice.
Oh my
Good
god.
shit. Oh my god. I'm gonna do 4. Actually, no, I'm gonna do 6.
We will. We'll try.
Alright, 13 on Walkers.
Oh wait, Yashin blocks clicks, right?
Yep.
Alright, watch out for that.
Oh
That
my.
was good. That was good.
My fault. Not my fault. Oh, what the fuck?
Like you said,
Actually, I'm gonna switch my power to pass something.
Alright,
But
13 Walkers. 13 Walkers.
They spent middle longs and cuts. That's a lot.
alright, so
Nah.
good shit.
Oh,
Yeah, they ate those.
Yo.
what? Just block.
Alright, they
Yo.
just okay. Good shit.
Sweet.
Just
No reaction.
I'm gonna do 5 stops stop. Where are you setting that?
Don't mind. Noah. Oh,
Okay.
you. Yeah, you.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Oh my.
Watch for cons.
Nice.
Please. Oh, Noah. Cross lines.
Nice, no.
They're done for.
Yeah, Noah.
Good hit.
Ex-captain.
They're done for.
All right, wait. I'm gonna do Noah again. Noah again.
Nice.
Oh shit!
Good serve.
Oh, shit.
Yo, I'm getting a noise complaint. Anyway,
My fault, gang.
Noise complaint?
I'm getting a noise complaint from my neighbors.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah, my window's open.
jump.
Nice.
Noah,
Andy,
no.
you're my goat.
No,
Oh.
no, no.
Oh, fuck. That was a good rebound, though, but
Okay,
Alright,
that was
Uh,
expected. Yo,
I'm gonna do 11 stop. I'm gonna stop cooking because I forgot Yashin is on it.
oh,
Yeah, Yashin's on quick.
nice.
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 Stop.
Yes, sir!
Set her up.
Andy, give me 4.
Alright,
Watch
so-
player scores.
Let me lock in, boys. Okay. Yeah.
Don't
Oh,
worry.
This freaking shut in, bro. Okay.
Show?
Sal, what's your power? Is he okay?
Yeah, watch mid long still,
Welcome
but
back in.
watch out for mids.
Oh,
Alright.
shit.
Nice.
Bro. Okay.
Do you have a lip spec and BBL?
Let me get a
I'm saying
different power.
Sal. 5 went net.
After that, give me an install.
Okay.
Nice! Nice!
Oh, there's no way.
Nice!
He's done, bro.
Oh my god. Paladin never did that, bro.
Alright, watch apes. I'm gonna keep forcing them.
What? Oh, watch
Okay.
Oh,
out.
they did
Ah!
That was
it
a
again.
that was a good play.
Setting sharpness 7 stop.
Yeah, that guy. Oh!
Oh. This guy's good.
Okay,
Good,
okay.
good.
I'm gonna say this. So don't full delay on anti, okay? This guy gets every single block.
Alright.
Don't full delay on that guy.
I'm gonna set Sharpie.
Oh my god, again.
Oh,
Hey, cover. I got it. I got
nice.
it. Alright, let's reset.
Nice!
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Come here.
Oh my
Yo, Janu. Oh god. Andy is our goal.
daddy.
Oh
Oh my.
shit! Okay, this is my thing. If we SS, are we gonna lose like the momentum? I don't want to SS. if we
Yeah,
lose
no,
the
don't
momentum.
SS. Don't SS.
I'm sorry, but I don't want to lose the momentum.
Do we need
just
any
saw this
subs or no?
momentum. Can I
Is
not be
Brandino
right
setting?
back? I mean, you just saw what happened when I
I
was
thought
right
Brandino
back.
setting, no? I'm talking to my dad. Oh,
Johnny,
fuck.
do you wanna Harlem rot?
Let me
Oh no. Okay. Yeah.
Like,
Let's do
you
it.
start. You're first setter.
Oh, first okay.
let me be right wing because
Ooh.
Oh,
I don't want to sell the Rex at the
Gotcha.
start again.
Ah,
'Cause I
yeah.
sold the Rex at the start.
Wait, what you saying, Noah?
I sold the Rex at the start. Let me right wing.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
I did Rex good like later, but the first holy shit, I did bad at the start.
What the heck are games
Yeah,
being
they're bringing the
live streamed,
second
bro?
best backer on the team. Do you see this?
Wait, bro, they're living our game. What the?
They're what?
They're
Wait,
like,
what? Yeah,
they're
of course
live streaming our
Of course
game.
they're living.
Yeah. Don't they have
They're
to?
live streaming. Yeah, that's it.
Yo, wait. Who
Who's
needs a
live stream
lip
against
sub?
Juventus and us though? I didn't see it.
Because we weren't known.
Oh.
All right, let's All right, so let me give a little pep talk while we have. So
Alright, team.
we should keep up the same thing. I don't think they know the secret about our fucking cuts. I don't know what they're
No.
on, but they're not hitting cuts. So they're hitting a lot of fast they're hitting a lot of fast slides and plays.
Yeah.
So watch
Yeah.
the mid and mid long a lot. And then what's it called? Just keep the same shit. And don't spam as much, please. I don't want to get a tech. You guys are lucky you didn't get a tech against Dragon X.
Yeah, we did.
Noah.
You guys
Am
are
I
really
lip subbing?
lucky. Yeah, you'll lip sub.
Who?
So
Okay.
Sorry.
probably I don't know. We'll see.
I
Shit, tripping.
Either Pandy, Danu, or me. Because if I sell again, then
I
you'll go in for me.
y'all doing
Okay,
good though.
Loki?
Like
Okay, I was talking to my dad, bro. Sorry, bro.
oh, it's
Like,
fine.
he's mad that
Don't worry.
he's mad that like
Danu, give me 11 stop.
I'm supposed to be doing something, but
Who are
my
you
fault.
setting?
Is it Arthur?
I'm
Yeah,
setting
setting.
north.
Go.
Alright.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh,
They're
Pandora.
That was,
locking
just,
in a
that
little.
was a good hit.
They're locking in a little. They have their lid.
Not
It's all good.
Oh wait, they do. I
Alright, doing north.
Oh,
oh
their wing spikers blocking me? That's great.
block that. Nice.
Alright.
5 Sharpie.
Dennis, switch my power to 4. 4, 4, 4.
Oh,
4, 4.
nice.
I know spray it.
Okay.
Oh, my. Don't mind that.
Don't mind. Let's just not steal.
Do you like wait? You know,
Leave
Sal,
five
you
star.
like decoy like.
Yes.
Alright, 5 stop.
I'll talk after this. Nice.
No way. It's over.
Oh.
Shit.
Nice.
Set her up,
What
set her up.
the?
Oh, you know what I
You're
like. You know what I
Set-
like. You
I know you
decoy
like
like
me, bro. I know you like me, bro. Don't get
You
cake.
you
Set
you
Noah.
decoy slides.
You're
I
setting
like
me?
that.
Okay.
I know you like me, bro. Chill.
Nice!
Hi.
Waggy, Danu, shut up. Oh my god. Stop. It's 2-2. Stop.
Oh, I don't want to fucking eat. Holy shit, bro. My dad keeps getting on my meat.
Nice.
Ooh, nice.
I'm
Just
saving
cover
myself.
that,
I'm saving
cover that.
myself. Nice.
Nice. It's been low.
Nice! Switch my power to 5 stop.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Yo.
That's over, it's over. Oh my god, it's over again!
It's over again.
What?
Oh my god, BVL. Hold on, hold on.
We see it!
Oh
Oh my god!
Pandy is getting
Andy's
a GFX
logging
for sure.
in!
Oh my god.
He's getting a GFX. He's getting the
getting
golden
it.
monkey.
Still 5 stop. Oh shit! Bro, stop! Stop spamming. Stop spamming. Please.
Type in
Stop.
team chat. Type in
Yeah,
team
talking
chat.
T chat.
Yeah, chill.
Just for Noah.
What the heck?
Alright.
Nice.
Oh my god, I missed. Alright,
Damn.
nice.
Better wash.
Wait, bro. Pandora's actually like stressing out. Pandora's actually
Set
stressing out.
Sharpie twice, and then I'm gonna do 3 slot.
Alright, jump on that.
But,
Twice.
but set Sharpie twice.
Yeah.
Ooh,
No.
Oh, done.
Dude,
This freaking Pandora, guys.
Danu, what are you doing? Get back.
Yeah, hurry. We're gonna have 5 on court. Alright, nice.
You done. You want me to
Nice.
mix up? Oh,
Watch it.
Nah, it's good.
Nice! Stop spamming in chat.
hey, go. We shuffled.
yo, Daniel, I'm actually gonna lip sub you because you're just text spamming. Oh my god.
Oh, chill.
11 stop, Sharpie.
I'm not selling my Rex anymore.
Oh, fuck.
Daddy's gonna make me choke.
It's fine. We just need to.
Setting walkers. Sorry, I didn't see your power.
Utilize that.
Just read. Yeah. It was
Oh,
about
oh,
yeah,
free.
rebound.
reset.
Set it.
So
Quick that. Okay.
Alright, I'm on. It's over.
Over.
Alright, reset.
Yo,
Oh,
my
he
bad.
said
Oh, I'm
Oh,
dumb.
yes.
I'm
He's
back,
at
bro.
13.
I'm dumb.
He's 13.
It's fine.
Oh,
Just
nice.
reset. Okay.
What
That,
the-
that was LF.
That's my bad.
Oh,
I
stop.
didn't see your power. I'll set you 13 now. Cover walkers.
Bro, I'm too used to scrims, bro. My fault.
Dude, this feels like a scrim though.
Ooh,
Nice.
nice. Ooh, that's
Okay.
a nice dive. Watch for cuts.
Nice. It's over. Oh man.
Oh, they're getting
Oh.
rid of
Don't worry.
Pandora.
Bro, that's anti right there, bruh.
Hey, just reset. Let Sharpie get a spike real quick.
Um,
You should send me delay. Probably a good idea. Yeah, I knew it.
That's
The
me.
semi
Oh,
delays.
Cheddar just blocked it. That's good.
This the one of the. Oh
my bad.
shit!
Uh-oh.
They're spamming that. Ella, might have to delay though, or it depends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tio.
Oh,
Hold
I
up.
should have killed you.
Tio. Yeah, call it Tio.
Panic.
Alright. So,
Just lock in
wait,
chat.
Patty, can we go in the same rotation so I can
okay, I don't think we're doing that bad. It's just we need to score real quick.
Yo, let's
So-
run. Really, let's run laps around the court, bro.
Yeah, let's run around the
Alright,
court, bro.
let's go.
Hurry
Hey.
up, everyone! You guys are failures. Push yourself to your limits.
Okay, let's run around the court.
I'm
Alright,
a
Run left,
Fortnite
bro.
skin though.
just keep running till the CD's off and then go back to your
Yes,
spots.
bro.
Alright, bro.
Look
Yeah,
at
we
look at
got
the players though. What the?
Hurry up, run the leaders. Me and Walker, bro.
Bro, you gotta hurry up.
I'm
We have
leading,
20 seconds.
Oh shit! We gotta push our limits. Yeah, cut the line.
Bro, Nitro, you're cutting.
Bro,
No, I
That's
didn't.
cutting.
Clipper cap. Clipper
Okay.
cap.
Go back in
Jeez.
position. position,
Alright, go back in
position.
positions.
Alright, let's get a quick point. I would say go for a fast power and like
Take
hit
your
it.
powers too quick.
Hit it like
Wait,
that.
Walker's going the wrong side.
Wrong side.
Go on this side.
Powers.
Alright.
Do it quick, real quick. Or like a semi delay, quick.
11 stop
Type
short
thing.
B. With 13.
No, it's
15,
you want 13.
Yeah, sorry.
Ooh.
Good shit.
Okay, Pandora actually like selling the most, bro.
I knew.
The TOs are
Alright,
working.
Walker.
I know. I kind of want that. I kind of want that lips up, but no, it's doing
Fast
bad.
power.
Yeah.
I got it.
Watch your block.
Go.
You're free.
Nice. It's the semi delays. Spam semi delays.
All right. Watch
I
your
got
rebound.
it.
Over.
Bro,
Some
yeah.
delay.
Nice. Good hit. Good hit.
Hi.
Yo.
Oh, I
Nice.
forgot to give my power. Okay.
Yo.
Let him stop.
Alright, set.
Alright.
South.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
yo.
that's so
Bro,
We're so
veiled.
bailed.
That's so veiled.
Oh, what do you mean, bro? I dived right here, bro.
Oh my
Like,
god.
is it dumb?
Okay.
Oh, they're
Oh,
gonna
they did the
go
play.
that
They did the
way.
play.
That
Oh.
was good, bro.
It's
I
all
don't
good.
care.
It's all good.
We're tied. We're tied.
It's not that we have to It's not that we have to wreck every single play. If we score more than them, that also counts as a win. So,
We'll do
that's what we're
both.
doing.
Let's do both.
Hey, that's their new setter. You can click on them, alright?
Nice.
Ooh.
Nice.
Let's go,
Okay,
let's
set
go.
her out.
Alright.
Let me short. Let me do shorts.
You're doing shorts. I.
Wait, 5 stop. I forgot to type it.
Oh my god, again!
Oh.
Did it
No,
again.
wait, no. Where did you die?
Wait, yo, Walkers, we have to do the play, bro. We have to do the play, bro.
Because
Alright, ready?
I was covering the other guy, like the actual inspector.
Decoy 5 stop, bro. Decoy 5 stop.
That's the only reason why. I died.
I'm doing 13 first.
Oh my
oh.
god. All
Bro.
right, let's get better comms. Sorry.
Nitro lips up for Pandy. Why?
That's on setter. Don't worry.
Pandy's
What are
doing
you setting?
alright.
What are you setting down? What are you setting?
Okay,
I'm
give
setting
him.
Woggers. I'm setting Woggers.
I'm
Okay,
on the
okay,
lip sign for people who are not doing good right now for Rex.
Okay, just like. Oh my god, in front of the setter.
I hate
Danu,
the spot.
can you cover yourself?
5
Yeah.
stop. Give me 5 stop.
Yeah, that's on
down.
you.
Okay. 5 stop
stop.
slide.
No,
Okay,
just normal,
okay. Normal.
bro.
Yo,
All right,
what?
that's
Bro, can you
Oh,
wait, send me again, bro. I got like fucking
Don't
bomb.
worry. Let's talk it a set. Talk it a set.
Get it 6F into net. Do 6F into net. Just trust me.
6F to the net.
Oh, we need
Yeah.
a perfect rack. All right, yeah, you can do it.
nice.
Nice.
Oh,
Very good
wait.
shot.
That's,
Danu, give me a little soft.
11 stop. Okay.
Are you setting me?
Give me
I'm
7
doing 11
after.
stop Noah.
Yeah, 7 after. If
Nice.
oh,
yo, Yashin's cooked.
oh my god.
Good shit.
Danu, you're crazy.
Yo, we have the best setters in the team, bro. I took back everything. I lied,
Bro's
bro.
taking everything back.
I don't care, bro. Like these guys got like they're actually carrying us right now.
Jump
I'm
again.
fucking with you.
Fuck.
Oh, that's cold.
Fuck.
It was a
Yo.
good spike. It was a good spike.
11,
No, yeah.
11 stop who?
Me.
Oh, Noah. Okay.
Yeah, and then 7 after.
Okay, sure. More. I could have gotten it. Don't worry. It's
Yo, cook that. Okay, okay.
nice.
Comes
Good
on
hit,
it.
good hit.
Uh,
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
let's
Okay, I'm
go.
actually gonna cook on cuts. My fault.
All right, I'm gonna do 3 slide.
I'm gonna camp.
Um,
I'm gonna camp
Don't,
cuts.
don't even the lid though.
wait,
7,
what
7.
percentile?
7.
7. Okay.
Yo,
Oh, okay.
Sharpie.
Come on.
You pit. Or Sharpie. I don't know.
No, don't call Tio. We're good. For real,
Wait,
for
no,
real.
no.
Okay.
No, we good.
We know. Yeah, we can only call Tio on our point. Yo,
Let me
Pandy.
be.
Pit.
Bro, we called T.
2B?
Bro, Daniel, why do you say we good? T-O.
Oh, TO? Okay, never mind.
Huh?
Bro. Just play, bro. I don't know what's going on.
It's caps. Yeah, okay.
Wait, who said we good?
What?
I did.
Got it.
Oh, okay. It doesn't matter. Whatever.
We called it. We called T. Okay.
Yo.
What the fuck?
Alright.
What the
Yo.
fuck?
Yo, we got
Yo.
fucked. Yo.
Alright, we
Alright,
need to
wait.
lock. We need to lock in our rucks. Okay.
No,
So,
low key,
we need to
I'm
pay.
gonna lock. I'm gonna camp cuts to like.
It's
Yo,
not that
Noah.
we're doing
Let
Wait,
bad.
them cover mine.
Wait, Pandy, can we switch spots? Cause I
Is that legal? I don't think that's legal.
Yeah.
I laps around the court again.
That's taking.
It's not. It's not that we're doing bad. It's just.
You can't
It's.
switch one-
We're not. We're not focusing enough. We need to focus on rucks.
Yeah,
We're
low
not
key.
getting rucks.
Do they really have
Yeah,
17?
Yeah, let's tee up. Let's tee up.
Yeah,
Let's
they
just
did.
tee up, guys.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, we're just
okay.
slacking on receives
Wait,
right
is
now.
Pandora
so
blocking? Is Pandora
let's-
blocking delays? Is Pandora blocking delays?
I don't know.
You wanna shuffle?
So
Okay.
I'll do 5 stop with set Sal 7.
7.
then-
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do
No,
South.
send me 5 bum net. Send me 5 bum net.
Someone's
Okay,
trying to gash it.
Let's pay more attention to our rucks real quick.
5 bum net, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 bum net. 5 bum net. Chat. Let's go.
Semi delay if Yashid's setting.
Just pay attention,
You
boys.
remember all the things we.
Alright.
Just focus.
Focus more. Okay, I said focus.
Walgers, you got a job, bro. You took
Yeah, we
forward.
got a drop.
Chill.
Hey,
It's
let's
fine.
come back. No, come back. Come back like last time.
Alright. 5 bum
Alright,
net
there
right
we
now.
go.
Over.
It's over. It's
It's
over.
over.
Here, set it.
Nice.
Ooh,
That's
oh
right.
mine.
Walkers, you
Is that Sarah?
Alright, then I'll do 5 stop as well.
Alright.
I'm gonna
Noah,
quick on
Noah
Pandora.
2 times. Noah 2 times.
Watch for cut.
Nice.
Okay,
Correct.
Noah.
Nice.
Wait, Noah again.
Oh,
Oh,
Yo, Penny.
Wait. Live sub.
yeah.
Who?
Nitro.
Ooh.
Alright, then give me
Get off court.
No.
then give
No,
me
no,
6.
no. After this.
Alright, Noah again.
I'm gonna quick cut. Oh wait, Yash, never mind.
Nice
I'm
right,
not
though.
quick cutting.
Yo, hit
Oh
that.
my
hit that.
God.
Easy.
Oh, you
that-
could have mid or short. Fuck.
Oh, they found out the secret.
Bro, we have
the
okay. Now we might lose this set, but third set, let's just get our cuts. Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
give me front row.
5 stop, Sharpie.
I know. I meant to mid the ball. I didn't mean
Don't
the
aim.
ball.
Don't aim. Okay,
Okay.
good shit. That's
So
actually
lucky.
bailed. That's not even bail, bro. Like he was on that.
Alright.
Like what?
And he set Sharpie twice. Okay,
Okay, what's his power?
and then after first
Alright.
Oh my
Alright.
god, Pandora. He's scaring me with the. Oh shit, that's over.
Oh my.
Watch it.
Oh
Oh
shit,
my
he's scaring
G- oh
me.
my
Watch
Jesus.
it. Watch it now. Okay.
Nice.
Yep.
That was arguably the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
Free.
Bro, why'd you take my receive, Noah? I'm done with you.
All right, we need a.
Oh my
we
God.
Need we need a mid. We need a mid. Oh,
Sharpie.
set Sharpie again.
We'll cover you.
Hold on.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, you can click that. Nice.
Ooh.
Why am I not midding? I swear I mid the ball. Wake up!
Wake up! Yo, chill.
I need more bullets. Tech.
It's fine. Chill out.
Yeah.
Set Sharpie. And then I'll do 4.
Don't ape. They block apes.
Holy
Nice.
Oh,
Yo.
damn!
Man.
Yo, okay, I low-key found the formula, bro. Like, I know what their back was like.
Formula.
Yeah, I know what, like, Just don't aim at Yashin.
Oh my god, they're mids. Okay, we need the wing spray to drop, okay? Because I was covering the...
Yeah.
Just typing, man.
I was covering the...
Just don't type. Just don't type. Just
Walker,
play the
I'm sending
game.
you.
Be faster than reaction.
I know, I tried to mid Woggy, and I messed up.
Can we? Okay.
Nice.
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 Good shit. Hey, this literally is the exact same thing that happened first set. Okay? So let's lock
7.
in.
Give me 7. Give me 7.
It's literally the exact same thing.
Oh,
I'm lagging. Oh,
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
Don't mind.
Don't
Just,
mind, don't mind.
I would say just don't click on Yashin.
Setting south.
He's... Oh, he's not setting anymore.
Yo, the lip's lagging.
Oh,
Alright, I would say go
oh,
back
me?
to clicking. Go back to clicking. Alright,
Damn!
I delayed it hard, bro. I thought you guys were gonna cover
Um,
me.
Yo. Okay. I thought Bennett was gonna get it.
Oh, wait, do I get
He
those?
was on the left. No, I guess it's my fault.
There's Swift players lagging too.
Oh shit.
Nice. Over that.
It's,
Oh,
it's not over.
What?
It's fine. It's fine. It's 1-1.
Okay, this set we just got tee up, to be honest.
Alright, tee up.
We didn't do much wrong. It was the Rex that
Hunter?
kind
Wait,
of sold
what?
us. It was the Rex.
huh?
Well, and they're also, oh no, they're catching on to your mids, mid longs.
Yeah, so I'm gonna start midding.
No,
Start midding.
yeah. Start midding or hit Pandora, I think.
Yeah,
I would say, but you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna start midding. Though. I'm gonna start midding. Bro, but the problem is Pandora covers Pandora.
Yeah, Pandora covers Pandora.
Like,
and
bro,
hits
this
Pandora,
guy covers his spot.
And he,
Ain't
and,
someone,
and
no,
hits
ain't
Pandora.
Pandora against like someone else who's not Pandora, bro.
Okay,
So-
yeah. Pandy, libero shuffle. I mean,
Should we
lib
have
sub
Bradino
for.
sit instead of Danu or no?
Donald's
Daniel?
doing okay.
Mm.
Donald's doing okay, yeah.
I was doing okay, yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah, he's doing
What?
good.
I
He's
don't
good.
I don't know for sure yet.
Okay, I guess not.
It just depends.
Let's just go. Yeah, let's just this time. Let's just not. Let's just tee
Alright,
up chat.
so now we know. Yashin is gonna get all your quicks, no matter what. And then
Yeah,
the other
we only-
setter, he's
we
gonna
only
get your semi delays, and then do not delay on Anti. Do not
Yeah, he
delay
blocks-
on that guy. He will
Bro,
get it.
to be honest, you can dunk on him. You can dunk on him.
Yeah,
Everyone, let's have
So-
a good 20 seconds of a match.
yeah. Let's
20 minutes.
just log back in, and now we kind of understand how the blocks are.
Yeah, it's their serve too, by the way. So
Andy, if you don't like, if you ape the way you just did, it's completely fine. Like that's part of setting is aping, as long as it's at a good time.
yeah, don't aim too much though.
Yeah, as long as it's at a good time to do it, then that's all.
Yo, I'm lagging. Are you guys
Just,
lagging?
just 8 when it's open.
Yeah, exactly. So I think we need to be smarter with our lib because we didn't sub nitro at all.
Okay,
So-
Lib go on for Pandy first, right?
No.
No,
I'll
that's
sub
not how
off.
it works.
I'll
That's
sub
not how
off.
it works.
We lost. GG.
Why do you not want me to sub off?
Not you. I want because okay, look, you're not even doing bad, bro. It's just Pandy's kind of doing bad on the C's right now.
Okay.
What? I missed
It's
that
just
one.
after this play,
I
then
missed
I'll
the
get
receiving
go in.
rate.
It's
I don't care, bro.
it's
I'm
their
sorry.
serve, so I'm gonna do 11 stop and. Oh wait, no, we can click on these guys. So give me 5 stop.
Sharpie drop back.
Aqua, you can cook in Aqua.
Then it said Sharpie first. Okay.
Alright.
Click on Aqua, yeah.
I'm gonna decoy. He's gonna jump for 8. Look, bitch boy.
Yeah. See,
Oh,
he's always. All
Fucking LF, bye. Nice.
right, 11 stop. All right,
cover.
rebound.
Full cover.
Cover.
Nice. That's good.
Nice.
That was
Alright,
cool.
alright.
That was cool.
Down there,
Two
yeah.
people jumped,
Yeah,
two
block
people jumped.
quicks.
Alright, I'm gonna do 5 stop.
Okay, bro.
Noah?
Got you covered. We got you covered.
Oh, okay.
Was that a bad set?
Well, okay,
A little bit.
Loki. Let's stop hitting doubles because they're locking us up on that.
I know, but okay. Then I'll tell you when to pinpoint me. Okay.
Alright. Noah, I'm gonna set you again.
All right.
I'm gonna decoy. Yeah, he fell for it. Dumbass nigger.
Oh, they don't get it. They don't get it.
God!
Yeah, they don't got it. All right. I'll do set Sharpie twice. No, I'll do 11 stop.
Okay.
Let Sharpie get his guy back. It's over.
Yo, that's over. Nice.
All right, just rebound, Sharpie.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way that works.
It's kind of cold. Oh,
Nice!
Nice.
Yo, we won. GG, bro. We have the best lib in the game.
No way!
Dude, that was so fucking short, bro.
If you
Yo,
just
shuffle with you.
mid that,
Yeah.
if you just mid that. Alright, Pandy, I'm ready. I'm soft.
Okay.
He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. Oh my god, pussy nigger.
Why am I longing? I pressed mid.
That's cold. That's
Oh,
cold. That's cold.
shit.
That was cold.
That was good.
Hmm.
That was good. That was good.
Lock in chat.
Just support.
Noah.
Lock in, lock in.
Again.
Okay.
I can't. I'm
Looks
trying
so
to
hard.
type my power. I am trying to type my power. Relax.
Don't aim too much. Don't aim too much, bro.
Oh, something
Oh
that.
my god!
Bro,
Yo,
I thought you had that down there.
I thought I did too, but you
No,
like
because
what am I
Donnie was
going
on
to
it. He was right here.
guys, just get it.
Daniel,
Yo,
call
just
the TO.
relax.
We're down by
Okay.
4. Call the TO.
Yeah.
We get
Oh.
2 each one, right? Okay, it's not late.
Bro, low key. Look,
Okay.
Donnie was right there, bro. I know you guys saw that, bro. I thought he had it, but it just like the game
But
sucked,
like
bro. He clicked it. He even, bro, he clicked the
Okay.
ball.
Guys, anyways,
Um,
y'all should just go for that.
Who's here? Right,
You want
Tara, are you
TV to
still
sit
lagging?
now?
Tara, are you still lagging? Alright, I can't do anything about it then.
Do you want the new lip song?
Oh my god, Polo, please help.
why am I lip subbed? I legit tried covering Salad.
I don't think we can SS again, can we? Can we SS right now?
Can we?
I don't,
Do you guys
I
want
don't
to
think
SS right now?
we can't.
It's a bit late. Shit.
Yeah, it's a bit late though. I can't lie. Hey, no way, no. Oh, it's late.
Let's see. Hold up, bro. My hand kind of died on me, bro.
Too late for SS. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
no,
No,
I'm gonna do-
no.
I'm gonna do 5 stop. No, set Sharpie. Set Sharpie.
Okay.
Second
Yo, that's
round.
dead. Kill that.
Oh
Yeah,
my.
just clear it.
Oh, fuck. I'm hitting my hand right now, but chill.
Oh,
It was over.
Don't mind.
that's my bad.
Don't mind.
Don't mind.
Just lock in real quick. I'll do 6.
What's that? 6? Alright. Nice.
Nice.
I swear the mid longs is free. It's just I'm hitting at the wrong spot.
Yeah.
I'm not hitting it like mid enough, I guess. No, guys, please. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it's over.
That's
It's not
not over.
Okay.
Oh.
Recover. Bro.
Oh, yo.
Alright, we gotta stop doing like that goofy like run up thing. So we did that like multiple times.
Yep.
I would say yeah, go ahead.
Sharpie.
Dude.
Okay, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, cover.
Take
Get
that.
that.
Nice.
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 Okay, do not aim for that anti guy. He's too good. Do not aim for him.
I told you.
Do not aim for that guy.
Anti's.
Wait. Can you
Anti
send me?
is really good. Alright, yeah, it's the cuts. Come on. It's the cuts.
Send me 6. Send me first, real quick.
Okay.
Oh, Anti's not fucking back front row anymore.
Yeah.
Cover. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, heck.
Wait.
Okay, can we use like Sal, can you use your normal powers? Like can you use 5 on net? And the Walkers go with 13. Like use your normal powers. Okay?
Taking loggers.
Go with something that you're comfortable with.
They're on that.
It's fun. Just you should do the 5 on net.
I
I don't
this.
think we have
Set
another
that.
TO.
I'm setting loggers. Yeah.
That might be over. Okay, no. I'm getting done.
Okay, set 5 bomb net, actually, because we had to.
Got it.
Yeah, set the 5 on net. A little late.
That was
That's
late.
fine.
That was late.
It's fine.
Alright.
I can't ape as a live, bro. It's so annoying.
You're not even a li. Oh wait, you are.
What the fuck?
Free.
Oh my.
All good.
Bro, we actually lost, bro.
I'm not lip, right? So
Walking.
technically,
My fucking god, bro. My dad.
yeah, our lib is named lib. All right, yeah, they're
Oh
honest.
my god.
It's an obvious. They're gonna block that quick.
Yeah, they block quicks. Okay,
Gotta-
so guys. Everyone got this.
Nice. Got it. Nice.
Nice!
Nice.
Okay, wait, set it right.
Let me
Set
still
it up.
look.
Go back.
Still look.
Right. We got Sal, we got Sharpie. No. Five. Wait, what's the powers?
Sal, what are
Oh,
you?
what are you blocking like that?
My fault.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Alright, it's okay. We got this.
Mhm.
I'm gonna
It's
do
open to-
five stop slide right now.
Okay, real quick. All right, just cover him. Cover him. Good shot.
Nice. Alright, a 6F to net right now.
No.
Alright,
Oh,
come on. If you don't mind, can I? I'm not lib, so I can ape. Okay. Our spikers have had a lot of attempts. Let me ape once.
It's okay.
Nice.
Nice.
All right, give me 5 stop real quick. I'm gonna quick
Yeah, we should do
cut on
delay
Yasha.
powers.
Two
I'm gonna
times.
Or we should delay.
Low key. Because they've been on.
You said we should delay.
Because they either send me or delay. Because
Yeah.
they block the A, but the time it so you
Alright.
can block a quick too.
All right,
And that's
Danny,
gonna
send me
help you
5
guys.
stop then. I'm gonna
So-
like pretend I'm gonna quick.
So don't hit
I
quick,
knew-
like no more 13 or whatever.
Alright, 5 stop Noah.
It's like, and it's open.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's really open. Can I have one more set?
Yeah.
Alright, give me 5 stop one more time. I'm gonna pretend like I'm clicking again. And then I'm gonna aim for Pandora where the estimated skills guy is.
What? Okay.
I'm blocking.
5
It's
stop.
Nice,
over, it's
that's
over, it's over,
over.
it's over.
that was free.
Oh my
Fuck.
god.
Damn.
It's fine.
Expensive.
Just run it back.
Wait, I'm just gonna set Noah again.
Why do I always need to wreck everything? I'm okay right now.
5 stop Noah.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Oh,
Free! Okay, give me 4.
Hit delays. No, Sharpie. They're gonna.
No,
hits
no,
and
I
block
think
you.
no, I think it would be okay. Just trust me. I think it would be okay. Oh my.
you're
Damn.
good.
Okay, they're really good at hitting plays. So they'll be midding a lot on that. So be careful. And who are you setting?
You first.
Okay,
and then-
4. Oh,
Nice.
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 Alright, I'm
Good.
delaying. I'm full delaying.
Nice.
Damn it. Alright, I'm gonna block with you, Danny.
Block that.
Yes, sir!
Nice. Noah.
Nice ankle.
Nice.
Nice.
13.
Ooh, that's perfect.
Nice!
Nice.
Come on, get our get back, boys.
We got this, team.
Alright, I'm gonna do 11 stop.
11 stop. Okay.
Set me and then set Sharpie twice.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh,
Don't worry.
oh, unlucky.
1 point, we scored like 4. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Alright, come on.
6 more left.
Okay, 11 stop Noah.
Nice.
Oh!
Lord, cookies.
Oh!
Bro, I'm setting Noah.
Let me cook, boys. Please.
Oh!
Andy!
Double with me.
Andy!
Double with me.
Oh, shit.
Just sell real quick.
I forgot I'm
After
set.
this, after
Yo,
this,
yeah,
after
block
this.
quicks, please. Block middle quicks.
No, how am I not
Yeah,
there?
Sal, you want me to freaking
You know I'm wing spiker, bro.
lip sub you real quick?
I'm good.
Alright, 5 stop ending.
Okay, gotcha.
Oh, Panda's here.
That's the goat.
Delay.
The goat.
The go.
Delay.
Oh,
Alright, I'm rebounding.
cover, cover. Nice,
Oh yeah,
nice.
nice.
Oh, okay. That
Oh,
works
no.
out.
Sorry.
Oh.
It works, it
just
works, it
like
works.
that.
Ah,
Oh,
Set Sharpie.
Sharpie.
Set Sharpie. Set Sharpie. And then set him twice. Oh, spare power there. Nice. I'll do 5 stall.
Bro.
Got a
Alright,
loss.
Alright,
I
I'm
still
gonna
can
go
block those. Can you block
Wait.
those?
Please.
11 stop, Andy.
Please, come on.
Noah,
I got it.
What?
bro.
Oh my.
Okay,
That's okay.
that's my fault. Not bad.
I'm setting Sharpie 5-stop slide.
No, it's
Look,
not the best.
Look,
What the?
it's a 2-ball. That's our point. Wraps.
Oh!
Wraps.
I'm setting
I'm gonna say-
loggers.
Okay.
Ah, good spot. It's a good spot.
So, you got it. So, you got it.
It's okay.
Nice. Good spot. He was on the mid.
Alright, I got it.
Just free.
Nice.
Alright, hold on.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I was trying to go
Powers.
all the way. I was trying to sprint all the way back.
Alright, 7-stop Sharpie. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Nice.
Loggers.
Oh
Nice.
my.
Watch it.
Yo.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good job.
Dang.
Block the block. Yeah, they ain't calling
Uh-oh.
again.
Setting. Loggers.
Nice.
Nice, Donnie.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Spot. Ah, that's the fun.
Okay.
Terror, I don't want to hear it right now, okay? You've said it 20 times. Hear it. It's not good for the
Hey.
morale of the team.
What the fuck?
Please, please. Okay. We good.
It's I.
Alright, it's okay.
Alright.
Oh, fuck.
Just rebound. Alright.
GG's.
Jeez.
Alright. Hey, all I gotta say, I know we're first round exits, but the fact that we made playoffs without even thinking about it, I think we should be happy about that. And you have to remember, we went against arguably 2 of the more top teams. We didn't go against Phoenix, we didn't go against Envy, we didn't go against any of those teams. We went against probably the harder matchups. So, and we went against the hardest matchup out of all of them. Out of all the...
Okay, wait,
out
who
of all
deserves
the-
MVP? Who deserves MVP?
I mean, sure, can I have it once?
Me.
Surely I did
You
well.
said either Sharpie or the Noah guy.
What?
Can
Not
I
even me.
have it?
Okay, wait, if Sharpie says yes.
Well, can I have him? Sharpie, just one.
Bro,
Yeah,
where's
I
my
think-
MVP?
yeah.
What?
I was gonna say I did pretty well.
Wait, damn it.
I was gonna say.
That's okay.
Bro, I'm gonna say I did well, and then I'm gonna look at my stats later. It's gonna be shit.
That was so good.
Either way, first round exits, but I am happy that we made playoffs. So now we know.
GG,
Oh.
guys. That was a really good run, I'm not gonna lie.
I low-key thought I would leave mid game, but it wasn't that bad. I mean, getting 3 sets on one of the better teams is not bad. So now we know. It's like we'll
Two
do
of the
better
better
next time.
teams.
Yeah, but both
Yeah,
of
we
them
went
were-
against probably the best team.
Diabical.
Jaeger's destroyed XL. We're good.
Holy. Fuck.
Destroyed him.
If Ter was there, he would have wrecked so much balls, but
Okay, but
I need to keep
Terror
going.
Terror was crying too much.